Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync audio and video in Kapwing. Kapwing is an online video editor that makes it easy to create content for the social media, presentations or the personal project. And one common challenge in video editing is synchronizing audio with video, whether it's music, voiceovers or dialogue. So in order to sync the audio in video, in Kapwing open and have the browser. In the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it here. And once it opens, what you can do is you can simply go to this create new, or you can also go to one of the drafts in the bottom here. And once you select to this draft or the create new, over here under this timeline to sync, you need to zoom into the timeline to further precise control, use the zoom button as well. And over here you can also trim the audio. On the bottom you can find there's a clip. You can simply trim the clip as well by simply going to this edges. And over here you can also select for the speed in the right hand side. And over here in the left hand side we can find there's an option with the audio. You can upload or paste a link as well, or you can simply browse through this tapping audio. As I'm going to select one of the audio here, and it will automatically get under this timeline. And after you're done with it, you can simply preview this sync and you can click to play and watch your video. And after you're done, you can export it in the top right. And that is it. This is how you can sync audio and video in Kapwing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.